you know that statistically, you are like way more likely to die on your actual birthday than any other day of the year?
Wait, what? No way.
Yeah, it's like a 14% jump. Welcome to English Elevator, guys.
Geez, Sam, that is a terrible, terrible way to start an episode.
I mean, it gets your attention, right? But today, we are actually talking about something way less morbid.
Hopefully, because I was about to just walk out of the studio.
We're talking about birthdays, specifically how to actually talk about your birthday in English without sounding like a robot.
Oh, this is huge. This is so relatable.
Right? Because think about it, Alex. What usually happens when someone asks an English learner about their birthday?
They probably just say it is my birthday today. I am happy.
Exactly. They completely freeze up. It's like a deer in headlights.
Totally. Or they just keep repeating, thank you, for 5 minutes straight when someone wishes them a happy birthday.
Yes, the endless thank you loop. It's super awkward.
So wait, how do native speakers do it? Because honestly, even in my first language, birthdays are kind of awkward.
That is the exact problem. Birthdays have this weird pressure attached to them. It's like New Year's Eve.
Oh my gosh, yes, the worst holiday.
You feel like you absolutely have to have fun. You have to do something big.
Right, like if you're not partying on a luxury yacht, you somehow failed your birthday.
Exactly. And in English, we have a very specific set of phrases we use to talk about this pressure, or how we actually celebrate.
Okay, hit me. What's the first thing I need to know?
First off, we need to talk about the scale of the party, the size.
The scale, like how many people you invite?
Sort of. It's more about the energy. So if you want a quiet birthday, what do you say?
Maybe I want a small party?
I mean, you could say that, but it sounds like an English textbook. Native speakers say they are keeping it low-key.
Low key, like a piano key.
No. Low-key. Low-key. It just means relaxed, quiet, zero stress.
Oh, okay, wait. So I would say I'm having a low-key birthday?
Boom, exactly. Or I'm just keeping it low-key this year.
Keeping it low-key. I like that. It sounds very cool, very chill.
It really does. It's like secretly telling people, don't buy me an expensive gift. I'm just eating pizza in my pajamas. Which is literally my dream birthday, by the way. Same here. But what if you are the exact opposite? What if you want the yacht and the fireworks?
Then I say I am keeping it high key.
No, I mean, high key is slang now for other things, but for birthdays, we usually say making a big deal out of it.
Making a big deal out of it. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, like my friends are making a huge deal out of my birthday this weekend.
Got it. So if I turn, 30.
Which you did 3 years ago.
Hey, shut up. Let's just hypothetically say I'm turning 30. I could say I'm making a big deal out of it.
Exactly. You're throwing a massive party. You're inviting literally everyone you know.
Wait, you just said throwing a party. You don't say make a party?
Oh, great catch, Alex. No, native speakers almost never say make a party.
Really? Why? Make makes total sense. You create the party.
English is weird, man. We say throw a party or host a party.
Throw a party, like you're picking it up and tossing it across the living room.
Exactly like that. Just throwing a party right at your friends.
That's such a weird visual, but okay, I'll definitely remember it. Throw a party.
So let's practice this real quick. I'm going to ask you what your plans are for your birthday.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do a little role play.
Hey, Alex, your birthday's coming up, right? Any big plans?
No, not really. I think I'm just gonna keep it low-key.
Nice. Perfect. Sounded 100% natural.
Wow, I feel like a native speaker already.
You're a natural. But wait, what if someone else is planning it for you?
Oh, like a surprise party?
Yeah, or just your friends taking you out to dinner. There's a very specific verb we use for this.
Wait, don't tell me. Let me guess. Is it throwing? No, we literally just did that.
Nope. It's something you do when you pay for someone else's food or drinks.
Oh, like paying? No, that's too simple. Buying? Treating. Is it treating?
Yes, exactly. Treating.
Yes, nailed it.
You did, Alex. So if it's your birthday, your friends might say, let us treat you to dinner.
Treat me to dinner. Okay, wait, so it's always treat to?
Yep. Treat someone to something. treat you to dinner, treat you to drinks, treat you to, I don't know, a movie?
Ooh, nice. So I just don't have to pay for anything. That's the best kind of birthday.
Right? It's like the ultimate birthday privilege. But wait, what if you're the one buying the drinks for your friends?
Wait, me? On my own birthday?
No way.
I'm not paying.
Okay, cheapskate. But let's pretend, because in some cultures, you actually pay on your birthday.
Wait, really? Oh man, I'm glad I don't live there. But okay, if I am paying, I'd say, I'm treating you?
Exactly. Or an even more common slang phrase, you can just say, it's on me.
It's on me. Like, literally on my body?
No. Like the bill, the check, the responsibility. It is on me.
Oh, okay. So I just say, hey guys, drinks are on me tonight.
Perfect. Spot on. And everyone will cheer and love you.
Until they see my credit card decline.
Right. Actually, guys, it's on you now.
Yeah, surprise, you're treating me. So, okay, wait, we have throwing a party, keeping it low key, and treating, or it's on me.
Exactly. Your birthday vocabulary checklist is looking real good, Alex.
Wait, Sam, what about getting older? Like, I hate saying I am turning 30. Is there another way?
Aha, the dreaded age question. Yes, there are a few ways.
Because turning sounds so, I don't know, like I'm a car taking a hard corner.
That is such a weird analogy, Alex, but I kind of love it. Like screeching tires. I'm turning 30.
Literally, it feels like a crash is coming.
Okay, so instead of saying I'm turning 30, you could say I'm hitting the big 3-0.
Hitting? Like punching it?
Sort of. Hitting just means reaching a milestone. Hitting 30, hitting 40.
Oh, I like that. Hitting 30, it sounds more active.
Yeah. Or if you want to be funny, you can say you're leveling up.
Leveling up like a video game.
Exactly. You survived another year on Earth, you get a new level. I just leveled up to 30.
Dude, I am absolutely using that. Sorry guys, can't hang out. I'm busy leveling up to 32.
See? English can be fun. But wait, I have a challenge for you. And for everyone listening.
Uh-oh, pop quiz?
Mini pop quiz. Let's practice. I'm going to give you a scenario, and you tell me the right phrase.
Okay, bring it on.
Scenario 1. You just want to order pizza, watch Netflix, and not talk to anyone on your birthday. What are you doing?
I am keeping it low key.
Boom, yes. Okay, scenario 2. You are taking your best friend out for birthday coffees, and you are paying.
Oh, I am treating them to coffee, or coffees are on me.
Nailed it. Both are perfect. Okay, last one. You are about to celebrate your 50th birthday.
I'm leveling up to 50. Or wait, what was the milestone one? Hitting. I'm hitting the big 50.
Yes, hitting the big 50. You sound like a native speaker right now, Alex.
I feel like a native speaker. This is actually making so much sense.
It's all about just having these small, natural phrases in your back pocket.
Right. Instead of just repeating the textbook like, today is the anniversary of my birth.
Oh my gosh, please never say that.
I am celebrating the completion of my 29th rotation around the sun.
I mean, if you want to sound like an alien, sure, be my guest.
So wait, what about the day itself? Like when people say birthday boy or birthday girl, is that just for kids?
Honestly, no, it's totally not just for kids.
Wait, really? Because I feel like if I call a 40-year-old man the birthday boy, he's gonna punch me.
I mean, it depends on the guy. But normally, adults use it ironically, like as a joke.
Oh, like, hey, here comes the birthday boy. Let me buy you a drink.
Exactly. It's super endearing. Or even just like, hey, birthday girl, what are we doing tonight?
Okay, that makes sense. Speaking of tonight, how do people actually ask about your plans? Because textbooks always say, what are your arrangements for the day?
Ugh, my ears. Arrangements. It sounds like you're planning a military operation or something.
Right? Like deploy the cake, secure the balloons.
Literally. Nobody says that. If you want to sound totally natural, just say, what are you doing for your birthday?
Just that? What are you doing for your birthday?
Yeah. Or even shorter. Got any plans for your birthday?
Oh, I like that. Got any plans? It's so breezy.
Super breezy. And the way you answer that is where the real juicy vocabulary is.
Ooh, juicy vocabulary. Lay it on me, Sam.
Okay, so imagine you don't want a huge party, right? You just want pizza, sweatpants, maybe 2 friends.
My dream scenario, honestly. The introvert's dream.
Right. So you wouldn't say, I am having a small gathering. You'd say, I'm keeping it low key.
Low key. I hear that all the time. Like a low musical key?
Yeah, kind of. Think of it like volume. High key is loud, crazy, blasting music. Low key is just a whisper. Chill, quiet.
Oh, wow, that's such a good way to picture it. Like turning the volume dial down on the party.
Exactly. I'm keeping it low key this year, just having a few people over.
Having a few people over, not inviting guests to my residence.
If you say residence, I'm calling the cops.
Okay, noted. No residences. So, keeping it low key. But what if I do want the military operation, the giant party?
Ah, the opposite of low key. Then you'd say, I'm going all out.
Going all out. Wait, out where? Out to a club?
No, it's an idiom. Going all out just means you're putting in 100% effort, spending the money, getting the DJ, renting the bouncy castle.
A bouncy castle at 50?
Hey, don't judge. Hitting the big 5-0 requires a bouncy castle.
Fair enough. Okay, so keeping it low key or going all out?
Yep. And notice the verb for party. We don't usually say making a party or doing a party. Wait, really? Because in my head, I'm literally translating make a party.
Most languages do, but in English, we throw a party.
Throw? Like throwing a baseball?
Yeah, like I'm throwing a party on Saturday.
That is so weird. Why do we throw them? Are we throwing them at people?
Honestly, no idea. English is weird. Just imagine you're throwing confetti into the air.
Okay, that works. Confetti. Throwing a party. I love that visual.
It helps, right? So let's practice, Alex. I'm going to ask you about your plans.
Oh God, okay. Put me on the spot. I'm ready.
Hey, Alex, got any plans for your birthday this weekend?
Well, I was gonna throw a party, but honestly, I'm just gonna go all out. Wait, no.
You're going all out on the couch?
No, I meant I'm keeping it low key, just having a few people over.
Boom, perfect. Sounded literally exactly like a native speaker.
Man, having a few people over just feels so good to say. It rolls right off the tongue.
It really does. Now, there's another phrase people use when their birthday is coming up, especially if they're feeling old.
Oh no, like me? Like hitting the big 3-0?
Yes, like instead of saying, I am becoming old, which sounds tragic.
Very tragic, like a Victorian novel. Alas, I am becoming old.
Exactly. So instead, people will just sigh and say, I'm getting up there.
Getting up there. Up where? Like up a mountain?
Yeah. Picture age as a mountain. You're climbing up the numbers. 20, 30, 40. You're getting up there near the peak.
Oh, that makes so much sense. I'm getting up there. So if someone asks my age, I just vaguely point up?
Kind of. It's a great way to avoid saying your actual age. Like, how old are you turning? Getting up there.
I am totally stealing that. Getting up there. It sounds so mysterious.
Right? Or people also say, I'm not getting any younger.
Oh, I've heard that one. Not getting any younger. It's so true, but kind of depressing.
A little bit, but usually we say it with a laugh. Like, my knees hurt today, man. I'm not getting any younger.
Okay, so we've got the party plans, we've got the age complaints, but what about the actual day? Like when people sing. I never know what to do with my hands.
Oh my gosh, Alex. Literally, nobody knows what to do.
Right? It's the longest 30 seconds of your life.
It really is. You just kind of sit there like a hostage behind a flaming cake.
Hostage behind a cake. Yes. Do I smile? Do I look at the candles? Do I sing along to my own name?
You just awkwardly smile and scan the room. But hey, in English, we have a phrase for the person whose birthday it is. You are the birthday boy or birthday girl.
Wait, even if you're like 50?
Yep. Even if you're getting up there, you're still the birthday boy.
Oh, callback. Nice.
Thank you. But seriously, when the singing finally stops, there's a specific action you have to do.
blow out the candles.
Right, but right before that.
Take a deep breath?
Well, yes, but you have to make a wish.
Oh, make a wish. Right.
Exactly. You close your eyes, make a wish in your head, and then, whoosh, blow out all the candles.
And if you get them all in one breath, the wish comes true.
That's the superstition, yeah. But here's the golden rule, Alex. Do you know what you can never, ever do?
Spit on the cake? I mean, accidentally.
I mean, try not to spit. But no, you cannot tell anyone your wish.
Oh, because if you tell them, it won't come true.
Exactly. It's completely jinxed.
Jinxed? Wait, what does jinxed mean?
Like, cursed. If you jinx something, you bring bad luck to it and ruin it.
Ah, so you keep it a secret. Got it.
Always. Okay, so Sam, let's practice this real quick.
Wait, I'm Alex, you're Sam.
Oh my God, I literally just forgot my own name.
You're getting up there, Sam. The memory's going.
Wow. Okay, I walked right into that one.
You really did. So, how do we practice this?
Let's do a little mental exercise for the listeners, too. Imagine someone asks you what you want for your birthday.
Okay, I'm imagining it.
You don't want a physical object. You just want them to pay for your dinner. How do you say that casually?
Buy me food.
A little too direct. Try using the phrase, treat me. Treat me.
Oh, like you can treat me to dinner.
Perfect. Or just take me out for dinner. It's casual, it's friendly.
Take me out. I like that. It doesn't sound greedy at all.
Exactly. So what about returning the favor? Like if it's their birthday?
Oh, I'd say I'll take you out.
Bingo. Or you can say, let's grab a drink. It's on me.
It's on me, meaning I pay for it.
You got it. So let's wrap this up with a little challenge for everyone listening.
Ooh, homework. The fun kind.
Yeah, the fun kind. We want you to think about your next birthday.
Are you going to throw a huge bash or keep it low-key?
Exactly. What's your ideal celebration? Try to describe it using the vocabulary we talked about today.
Like hitting a milestone or treating yourself.
Yes. Leave a comment if you're watching, or just say it out loud to yourself if you're listening in the car.
Just don't talk to yourself too loud at a red light. People stare.
Speaking from experience there, Alex?
Maybe. No comment.
Well, that is all the time we have for today's birthday deep dive.
Honestly, now I really want cake. Like a massive chocolate cake.
Same. But before we go get cake, guys, if you loved this episode, make sure to subscribe.
Yes, follow English Elevator wherever you get your podcasts.
It really helps us out, and it guarantees you won't miss our next crazy topic.
Until next time, keep practicing and happy early birthday.
To literally everyone. See ya.
Bye, guys.